Welcome back. Today we're making an omelette. First we need 2 eggs, scallion, tomato, cheese, pepper, sweet pepper, salt, and black pepper. First I'm going to dice up the scallion very fine. Now I'm going to dice up the tomato. Then the sweet pepper. And the pepper. Now I'm going to crack the 2 eggs in the bowl. Then I will be adding black pepper, and salt. Now I'm going to add all the seasoning in a bowl. Mix it all up. I'm going to add some thyme. Mix it up. Then I will be adding some vegetable oil. And pour it in the pan and circle it like that so it's spread out. I like my omelette golden brown so I make it stay for a while. Then I flipped it. Don't laugh you guys, I used a fork as well because the spatula wasn't big enough. Flipped it on the next side. Now I want to flick it back on the next side now. Then I will be adding the cheese. Right now I want to fold it in half. Right now the cheese is melting inside. Add it to my plate. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and leave a comment and subscribe. See you in my next upload. Bye.